everyone, welcome to the Smart and Stylish channel. And I want to assure you that this channel we are going to teach you and help you, and also you're going to practicalize how you will look smart and stylish, budget or premium. If you have no money, you can look good. If you have money, you can spend it well. So this is what this channel is all about. So if you are coming across this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I want to thank you for the 50 subscribers. Let's do more. That's what I believe. I am grateful. So I'm just gonna talk about something. So I'm gonna talk about why looking good is not about money. I'm just gonna start on the budgeting part of looking smart and stylish. So now, let me be honest with you. Many people feel like for them to look good, you have to buy a dress for 5 million naira. You have to go and buy that shoe for 100,000. If they say, oh, she bought this shoe this amount, they say, oh my god, this shoe is luxury. That doesn't make it luxury. Please, let's not quote something. I am aware that the price of a thing can add value to it, but we shouldn't make money a priority to dressing or looking good. It shouldn't be that way. Why some people have small money but they look good. They look awesome. Looking good is about knowledge, knowing how dressing works. Because I see a lot of people, they pick dresses anyhow and wear it, not knowing if these dresses fit this occasion, fit this mood, fit today. Today's Tuesday, I need something sunny. I don't need something on a darker mood. You don't read mood before wearing a dress. You pick randomly. That's why you feel like when I have money, I will start looking good. But it doesn't work that way. It has to do with your knowledge about looking good and your creativity and your styling techniques. That's why we are here to help young ladies, women. It's a movement because people don't know that they are dressing bad. They'll wear a dress and they'll feel like, okay, I'm looking good in this dress. But there are so many things about what you are wearing. It's not just about styling occasional dresses. Maybe your wedding day, you call a stylist. How about ordinary days? Can't you style yourself? Can't you look smart? Can't you look stylish? So stay tuned to this smart and stylish channel. We're gonna tackle everything one step from the other into the other. So make sure you subscribe and share this video. I love you.